Good afternoon, friends. Today, I am thrilled to introduce the OPPO F29 5G, a smartphone that epitomizes durability, performance, and innovation. Designed to meet the demands of the modern user, the OPPO F29 5G stands as a testament to OPPO's commitment to excellence. Unmatched durability. The OPPO F29 5G is engineered to withstand the rigors of daily life. With an IP69 rating, it offers unparalleled protection against water, allowing you to use your device worry-free, even in challenging environments. The 360 degrees armor body provides a robust shield against drops and impacts, ensuring your device remains unscathed through everyday adventures. Exceptional performance. At the heart of the OPPO F29 5G lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, delivering seamless multitasking and a responsive user experience. Paired with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, this device ensures ample space and speed for all your applications and media. Immersive display. Experience visuals like never before on the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1200 nits, every image and video comes to life with stunning clarity and fluidity. The Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection adds an extra layer of resilience to the screen. Advanced camera system. With a dual camera setup, you can capture the world in exquisite detail. The 50MP wide-angle lens, equipped with electronic image stabilization (EIS), ensures sharp and vibrant photos, while the 2MP depth sensor adds dimension to your portraits. For selfie enthusiasts, the 16MP front camera delivers clear and captivating self-portraits. Long-lasting battery. With fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with a massive 6,500 mAh battery, the largest ever in the F-series. Coupled with 45W SuperVOOC flash charge technology, your device powers up swiftly, keeping you connected throughout the day. Enhanced connectivity. Stay connected wherever you are with a 300% network boost feature. The innovative Hunter antenna system enhances signal strength, ensuring uninterrupted communication even in areas with traditionally weak reception. Availability and pricing. The OPPO F29 5G is available starting today, March 27th, at a price of 23,999 Indian rupees. For those seeking additional features, starting at 25,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. The OPPO F29 5G is not just a smartphone, it's a reliable companion designed to keep up with your dynamic lifestyle. Embrace the future of mobile technology with a device that offers durability, performance, and cutting-edge features. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel Jucter.